So guys, wala akong magawa sa bahay namin. So naisipan ko mag-drawing. So guys, magkakaroon tayo. Wait lang, ready ko lang yung mga gamit. So guys, ready ko na yung bond paper lang. So, so antay nyo ko guys, away. So, nalagyan ng pang-paper. So, pilag kami. So, guys, may naisip na akong i-drawing. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo pagtapos na ako. Okay. So, lumipat ko yung pasto. Ito na yung mga gamit na kailangan, guys. Ayan. So, let's go! So, ayan, natanggal na yung pinag-nood nyo kasi bawal pala. So, malapit na mag-drawing. Okay na kaya.
Reach day 99 over an hour and a half.
So, lalagyan na natin ang design ng ating drawing. Sige, ako lang lalagay. Huwag lang tumatutok lang. So, lalagyan na natin siya ng design. Huwag muna kayo manood. Sorry. Kasi so, guys, patapos na ako ng drawing.
OMG, I got lucky again.
So guys, ayaw yung TV dapat kalahati. Pati kasi nagpili ka ng bagong TV. Ano po, kahiwalay po siya. At yung isa po, ano, sa akin.
I got a good
So,
sack
kung
now.
hindi nyo naiintindihan, ulit na lang po yung video
I've got a katana now, so I don't need the spear anymore.
Bye!
I find my enemy actually cute. This power charcoal and the fuel canister are enough to upgrade the campfire to level 5. See?
So guys, natapos na natin yung drawing ko at medyo na ano ako. So wait lang guys joke lang
20 seconds until sunrise. I need to relocate this kid's position. It's right here. Have you guys noticed that lately wolves have been showing up more often in the game? It's really getting annoying, isn't it?
Ito siya guys. Kung sino hindi marunong mag-drawing dyan, manood lang sa akin. Bye-bye!